just to...
Sorry to add that, because I was one, we were 3 people group at the CCB sitting together, Pierre Gardner, TK and me, 2015, drafting the first version of that convention, so I'm really delighted.
So we should celebrate the fact that it did happen.
It's really a CCB project, and we're very glad about that. But let me tell you, because some people ask me then, what is that is useful for to open the convention for non-European Council members? Because people argue and say, you know, those countries that we would need the convention the most, the governments would never ratify, you know, for good reasons. But I don't want to. I want to say, you don't be shy. So I address this to any bar representatives, for example. Don't be shy to still, if you think that your government doesn't respect you as a lawyer in the right way, don't be shy to get in touch with them, because I think there is a very strong economical effect for a country to ratify the convention.
Yes.
Because, you know, if I would be a client investing in your country, I would know that your country will respect the rights and privileges of lawyers in your country. I would feel much more safe than if you don't ratify that convention. So there may be a kind of dynamic, that's at least what we hope from the CCP side, that people begin to ratify that, because to be able to be a part of international economics, maybe in the future it will be one attribute that you ratify that convention. So I just want to bring that information.
That is absolutely important. I mean, a few years ago, we were involved in a case, and I'm trying to remember which Latin American country it involved, Bolivia, I think, and lawyers' offices were raided, and the computers were all taken, and so the protections that would normally apply to documents in relation to a case were actually being seized. I mean, it was a total interference in the rights of people in cases. And this was a commercial law firm. We're not talking about here about, you know, human rights lawyers who are given a bad time in most places, one way or another. But this was commercial lawyers doing some kind of case that for some reason the government then took an interest in, and went round and took the computers with all the information that was private to their clients. And so those issues involve, you know, lawyers can be endangered even if they're commercial lawyers. You know, it's not confined to people who do the war crimes work or work of mass atrocities or anything. Who else would like to come in?